Alright, just a video of repairing this door sash garnish. My jacket kind of caught on it, broke off, but you got to get these clips out and then take that piece of plastic out. Mark the orientation, so this is the top forward, so you know what way the plastic was when you glue it back together. You just pop them out. Just use a little flathead in this. There's, let's see, these little tabs right here that go hook under the metal. Just gotta push it in, pop it up. So this one I already did one side, but that's it. I already got the other two before. This will be over here. And yeah, like that. So then you just gotta push the little piece of plastic out of it. Hold on, I have to put the camera down. Yeah, just push in. We'll start popping out the other side. Like so. I'll glue back on just like that. And pop this one out. Anyway, I'm just gonna mix up some epoxy real quick. Okay, so I got my little plastic tabs epoxied back on. Just clean your plastic good. Just use cotton swab and some brake clean. Get those on there. I ran out of foam tape. It's just left over, but I did two sides. If you want to replace the foam, just scrape it off and put some new stuff on there. There's a little piece in the corner here too. And then if you have one of these broken, mine was broke right here. A zip tie is about perfect for that. So just cut it to length. I just use my plastic solder iron here. Boom, boom. And yeah, it's strong. I guess you could glue it if you don't have a solder, but yeah, hopefully save me $80 or so. Just gonna let it cure a little longer and then go and snap it back on.